So let's get started with part one. Feet slightly apart, toes not point to the front, point diagonally out. Relax your left leg and fall to the right leg. Like you're waiting somewhere and you get bored. You see the hip comes out? Okay, straighten the knees, relax the right knee and bend it down and the hip comes the other way. Everybody can do this, the anatomy is easy. The difficult part is coordinating the knees so we don't go up and down. We try to keep this level. How do we achieve this though? And how do we add this? Don't be in a hurry, let's break it down. Now, if you don't bend your knees, you won't be able to do this movement. You can only do the lateral hip movement where they're having cha-cha-cha. You can put that in salsa, but that's not what we're learning today. Step two, we gotta be able to walk. So I've broken that down into steps as well. Bend down, as we said. Step two, we go straight knees. Now, just like the Karate Kid, you don't have to lift that high, but we're lifting up the right knee. And here's the trick. The whole foot has to step down and we should not straighten that knee. It stays bent from the air and we start dropping our hip and dropping our rib cage to the ground and we do a compression. Okay, so let's go. Bending, left knee, opposite the hip on the right side. We go straight. Now transfer your weight to the left foot and lift slightly off the ground with your right foot. Now push with your finger here so your hip comes out and you sink down. Same thing for the other side. Go straight, transfer the weight slightly to your right foot, lift up the left foot completely like this. Some people tend to do this and end up doing this. The secret to this one is keep the foot going, all of the foot, heel and toe and all of the foot together. And now again, we push the hip out and the result is that we go down with a bended knee. That's the trick. So we go straight, transfer, lift, push down. Straight, transfer, lift, push down. Then you'll slowly try to do it in two parts. Lift and down, lift and down. It's okay for the beginning to go up and down, but you don't want to have this. Same foot, same knee, nor this. Ball of the foot down, then heel. The whole foot steps down and your rib cage can start moving opposite of your hip. The last little trick you can do is slowly putting it in your side step. That's the easiest one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, you don't have to go quick, slow. When you go back, this is a little bit weird. Many people tend to step hip to the right, then this way, then that way. Same foot, same hip. Nope. Putting it into step for salsa is a little bit harder because we're going to lift up the right foot and we're gonna go on a bended knee backwards. So the hip can stick out on the left side. I know it doesn't look that cool, but anyway, that's how we gotta go. Here, now it's gonna look cool with the change. So we have a bent knee again left and the right is the hip and we close in. Same thing for forward, switch, left foot forward and it's bent. So I don't step straight when I go basic forward. I bend my knee if I want my hips to exist. My favorite part now, we're gonna do a circle. From here, we're gonna push forward and move out using our back muscles. Move out, abdominals, back muscles, abdominal, back muscles. This is the more advanced version. Instead of going only left and right, I call this the 3D version. Push back, forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it works great on bachata. It works great with your salsa. Hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate.